Focus on your heart and take a deep breath. You may either close your eyes or watch the images on the video. Today we are going to install within you the belief, I am capable of handling challenges that come my way. Life is full of challenges. Everyone's journey contains periods of deep challenge. When these come my way, I know I will learn from them. I am confident I can manage challenges as they come into my life. In the past, I may have struggled overcoming various obstacles. I have learned from the challenges of the past and am a new person today. I acquire and develop great knowledge and awareness that serves me well when facing new challenges. I confront disputes head-on. This is the most direct path to finding solutions and conquering any difficulties in my life. I am capable and confident in my abilities. I see challenges as opportunities. Working through them allows me to stretch my mental and emotional muscles and develop self-confidence. When difficult times test my capabilities, I maintain a positive mental attitude as I work through them. I welcome the opportunity to overcome any new obstacles. My abilities strengthen my resolve and make me even more skillful at handling what comes in the future. As I become more capable of handling stressful situations, my confidence grows. My current success breeds future successes. I know I can handle anything that comes my way. Today, I am bravely and confidently dealing with the obstacles in my life. I am confronting my challenges directly and solving them efficiently. I am grateful for the opportunity to rise above challenging times. Call upon your healing team. Ask them to please use the Belief plugin to install the following beliefs. Challenges are an opportunity for growth and expansion. Challenges are an opportunity for growth and expansion. I handle what comes in life by reaching deep inside for inner resources. I handle what comes in life by reaching deep inside for inner resources. My current success breeds future successes. My current success breeds future successes. I am confident in my ability to handle the challenges which come my way. I am confident in my ability to handle the challenges which come my way. When in the midst of difficult times, I maintain a positive mental attitude. When in the midst of difficult times, I maintain a positive mental attitude. Now take a deep breath and come back to your body feeling aware, relaxed, and vibrant. Know that you are capable of handling the challenges which come your way.